664 down for the week. I found it very difficult to read this week. Price action was very strange. We made the low of the week on Thursday and then the high of the week on the Friday, which is unusual. If you're new here, my name is Sam. I'm a beginner trader trying to pass my free Topstep combines so I can gain funding to trade with. And I'm showing you every trade. So let's check out the live trades. So 3 trades in total this week. 1 winner, 2 losses. The winner was only a 1.7 risk to reward, but I managed to finish Feb 1500 up overall 3 accounts, but I'm confident March will be a lot better. Just before lunch we tapped into a hourly negative fair value gap. My bias is bearish for the week. I'm hoping to catch a nice reversal. We've got a 15-minute order block. We had an SMT during lunch. Yeah, we just tapped into that order block on the 15-minute chart. Another nice reaction off of that. I'm going to set up a limit order, so on that 1 minute fair value gap. Right, small order filled, win 5 contracts. I'm actually just going to move all 4 contracts to that swing low. It's Monday, probably not expecting any sort of massive move, and I'm happy just to take the easy win. Nice big retracement. Not too concerned as there's lots of big retracements in the afternoon session, which I've been getting used to. Try not to move my stop loss to break even too early. I'm just trailing my stop loss quite tight now as we're getting closer to that close. I've just moved my take profit up as well, because I think if we take that, it could just be a sweep and that's it for the day. Fourth take profit hit, that's put me up 360 for the day. And over the 3 accounts that'd be about $1,000. That 2 minutes later it's hit my original take profit. A bit annoying. I always underestimate the last final push that can happen in the last 10 minutes. The trade was a bit long for my liking, 2.5 hours that was. It's a bit tedious sitting there watching that. The bias of the week still bearish. I want to see us close up that gap, get into more of a discount price, possibly tap into that 4-hour fair value gap at the bottom here. We tapped into an hourly negative fair value gap on the London session, possibly tap into that again. We've had a nice SMT, but it's not giving me any entry at all. It's just gone straight down. I'm just going to look for an entry around here. We just tapped into the order block on the 15-minute, see how it responds. Just got in market order with 5 contracts. Not really liking the look of this. As soon as my order filled, I didn't want to be in it anymore, which isn't a great sign. I'm just going to raise my stop loss slightly just to get it above that order block. It might not be done tapping into that, which is more risk than I normally like to take. I don't want to get unnecessarily stopped out. Yes, stop loss hit. Yeah, it's a bit frustrating. I didn't quite sit to my entry requirements there. Bit of an unnecessary loss really. I probably shouldn't have taken it. I prefer to have an SMT but then a reaction off of that and enter straight away, because then I've got a nice solid place for my stop loss to be. Yeah, we just swept liquidity to the downside. I should have been not taking that trade. This is all lining up for me here. We're sweeping lunchtime highs. We're within a higher time frame. Bearish fair value gap. We've made an SMT. We just had a bit of displacement to the downside. I'm going to look to enter off this 1 minute fair value gap. And my stop loss is a bit tighter. I'm going to take 1 contract on the minis. Right, let's just quickly switch my chart over so I can see what I'm doing. No, stop loss hit. Really nice. I felt really confident about that as well. Felt like it was all lining up. I think it looks like I've got the wrong bias. It looks like we're going to continue up for the session. Yeah, I'm not too mad at that. I feel like I checked all my boxes. It's just one of those losers. It's fine. So there's no trade for me today. Couldn't get an entry that I like the look of. But just look at this overall week. We made a Made the low of the week on Thursday, and then the high of the week on Friday. Very strange week. I don't know why I found it so difficult this week. If you're looking to become a funded trader, I've left a link for Topstep in the pinned comments. That's all from me. I'll see you next week. Happy trading.